Hey, good afternoon. This is your girl, Lucinda Cross. So just wanted to chime in before I head out to talk about the sponsorship prospectus, right? That sponsorship deck that you're going to write. And what is key, quick 5-minute tip, is ask yourself why 10 times. Ask yourself why 10 times. Get it out of the way. Ask yourself 10 times, why do you want this sponsorship from this particular sponsor? Why do you want to partner with this individual? Why your event? Make it clear why your event. What is so special and amazing about your event? Hey, welcome for joining. What is so special about your event that they should sponsor? So put yourself in both seats, the interviewer and the person being interviewed, right? The interviewee. And you want to be clear what this will do when you do the ask for your why 10 times. It will help you gain the clarity and also look and see if you need to add more substance and value to your event when you are describing it and when you're marketing it and who you approach. And it'll also allow you to see and give you the confidence that you need to say, hey, this is why. This is why. Why? Because this. Why? Because that. Why? Because 3. Why? Because 4. Why? Because 5. So just, you pull out a piece of paper, and everything that I have is like super large. Like I have all kind of super large stickies. But you want to ask yourself why 10 times before you even begin to put together your sponsorship deck. And here's how it would go. Why do you want sponsorship for this event? Because this event is catered towards at-risk youth. Why do you want sponsorship for this deck? Why? Because this event will help to change their mindsets and help them to elevate in school, keep them in school from dropping out. Why do you want sponsorship for this event? I want sponsorship for this event because it would help to put more young girls in the seats and they don't have to worry about paying an overhead price to attend. It'll knock out all of their obstacles and challenges. Why do you want sponsorship for this event? Number 4, I want sponsorship for this event because it will allow me to pick a venue and that will bring an experience to the individuals. Why do you want sponsorship for this event? 5, I want sponsorship for this event because it'll allow me to cover the cost for some major keynote speakers and cover travel for these young girls, travel for these speakers to be there. It'll bring notables in the room. Why do you want sponsorship for this event? Because it'll allow me to provide provide them with computers. I'll be able to buy technology for them. I'll be able to give away special gifts. I'll be able to, so come up with some 7 why. Why do you want them to sponsor? Because I want them to sponsor this because I remember when I was a young girl, there's this many at-risk youth within my community, and I want to, or there's this many young girls who are teen moms and they need the support because I was a teen mom and I didn't have access to mentorship resources, so whatever your story is and whatever your why is, connect the two and go through it 10 times. And if you can do another 10, it makes it your clarity and your focus even more clear. Why? And so if you were working with me as a one-on-one client, I am in your face. Why, Ebony? Why should they sponsor this event? Okay. Why should they sponsor this event? Okay. Why should they sponsor this event? Why? So it goes hand in hand. And you can even use this when it comes to why should people buy a ticket? Why should they show up? Why should they invest? You have to go through it 10 times. If you cannot answer with 10 solid answers, you may need to revisit the mission and the vision of your event, your workshop, or your training. So we are at 4 minutes. I'm so proud of myself. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. And so, write this down and work on that when it comes to pursuing your pursuit for investors, supporters, and sponsors. All right, I guarantee you, the clearer you get, the clearer the person who will be funding and cutting the check will be able to see it. right? And so you want to be clear on why you are having this event, why this sponsorship is ideal, why this partnership makes sense. So hope that supported you. And I hope to see you in our sponsorship 5-week crash course that I'm hosting in November. It is all online. We will be talking 3 weeks in November, 5 consecutive weeks except the week of Thanksgiving in November, and we'll go into leading into December, the first or second week in December. But you want to be a part of this sponsorship crash course because it teaches you more than just how to obtain sponsors and write the sponsorship deck, but it'll also show you how to get clear on your events, your trainings, and your workshops. So talk to you later. I'll see you later with another quick tip on how to secure that sponsorship bag. Bye.